This is the DT99. It's a beautiful, large AMOLED screen smartwatch with some nice features in it. Swipe down, you got your brightness control information, do not disturb immediately on the watch, and a music player. Sure enough, it has a speaker and mic in it. This is a perfect watch for Bluetooth calling, music streaming, you name it. Come over to the side, you get a panel that shows you your time, your overall message status, Bluetooth calling on or off so that you can make or receive from the watch, and on recently used apps. Come over this way, you get into your step count information for the day. You can do heart rate directly on the watch, and it'll show you your readings over the past 24 hours. Here's blood oxygen reading as well. It's using green diode technology on this one. Then you've got last night's sleep time available, deep and light, and more information over the past 7 days. And of course, you get more information in the app itself. And then an integrated music player that you can activate and stream music or podcasts or whatever from the watch. Come back here to the dial faces, and you can twist to change them if you like to. There's colorful ones, there's kitty ones, there's really nice dress ones, just a nice variety of overall watch faces in this watch. When you swipe up now, you're getting into all of the different apps. Phone, message, contacts, call records, all that applies to Bluetooth calling. Fitness, sports, all that's your workout stuff. Heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, blood oxygen, all your biometrics. Then you get into standard things like calculator or calendar, NFC, music player again, last night's sleep time. You got stopwatch, weather, alarm clocks, voice assistant, that's your Google or Siri. You got a flashlight in this one. Lots and lots of things in here. You've got a compass, and you've got the religious prayer, direction, and time built into this one, and menstrual cycle information for the ladies, air pressure, and overall settings where you have the ability to turn on a bedside lamp. When you're charging it, you can get a lamp, or it can be dark. And in the screen off, you can turn on a background kind of a watch face that's digital or analog, and in the screen time you can change from always on mode, and it truly will stay on always on, to as short as 5 seconds. And when you bail out of that, when the watch face times out before going to black, it'll switch over and show you that dial, digital or analog, like this, that you selected. All in all, this is a very interesting, nice watch. Works really well for the ladies, being a thin and one-button operation that you're seeing right here. Again, lots of different watch faces in this one. That's a custom face I downloaded. It is the DT99. Check it out.